If you're trading QQQ without any levels, you're basically trading blind. In this video, I'll show you the exact levels institutions respect and how I use them to decide whether I'm going to take calls or puts.
Yo, what's up everybody? It's Two Legit Trades, and today I'm going to be going over how to set up key levels, aka support and resistance. So what we're looking at right here is QQQ, also known as Triple Q, also known as the NASDAQ. Well, at least for me, I call it the NASDAQ. So hope everybody's had a good trading day. The market is back at all-time highs again. It's like the last Friday when Trump announced the tariffs. It's like that never happened. Anyways, guys, let's get right into it. So let me take out my indicators. We'll take out the 9 EMA and the 50 EMA. We're gonna remove that, clean up the chart a little bit. So as you can see right here, I'm looking at the 20-day 1 hour chart. Typically what I like to do though is I like to start from the daily chart, right? And so I look at my yearly levels. So right off the bat, I could go ahead and see a strong yearly level around this price right here. So then I drag it over and then bam, that's one level. As I look, I could kind of see another level right here. Keep mind you, this is for the year. We come up, I do see another level about right about there's a little bit one right here too. So there's a lot of activity going on around like this area right here, and then there could be another level about right here. So look, as you can see, bam, and then obviously we have the high up here. So I got my yearly levels, and I think this is pretty there is another one right here. I have to say there's another one right there. All right, so those are my levels right there, and then I come down to a lower time frame. So look, this is the hourly time, this is the daily time frame. So right here we're looking at the daily chart, 1 year's worth of data. So each candlestick represents 1 day. All right, so I have a level at 540, 574, 582, 594, 603, and 611. And then I come down to the monthly time frame. So you can see right here, and the levels, they actually hold true, right? So you can see left to right. You can see right here, we came up, came down, came up to resistance, held support, broke through resistance, and we formed a new level. We came up right here to resistance. Obviously this was that Friday I was talking about, and then we did all this chopping around, but look, now we held a strong support right here. So this would be a monthly level that I would draw in for the month, about 590 ish, and then that wouldn't go ahead and we held support there, and look at that, we pushed up. Now we're basically at all-time highs again. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna draw this out a little bit better. I'm gonna scoot it up. All right, so I'm gonna put it for the high of 613. I could always edit it. Watch, 613.18, which is the all-time high that QQQ has ever been. So now that we have it in there, we have our levels, and things are looking good. Things are looking very, very juicy. The market is really volatile. Things have been looking extremely just like bullish one day, bearish the next day. But yeah, I mean, this is how I do my levels. Real quick video. Look, check it out. You zoom in, nice and clean, right? We have this clean chart. You know, I am a fan of indicators. I do use indicators, but I just kind of like it now more, like less noise. It just looks beautiful like the way it is, right? So this is a 5-minute time frame. As you can see, during pre-market we bounced off support, and then bam, we just came up all day, like ridiculous, right? And then now we're in this area. So anyways, I will add in one of my indicators just to see how it looks. So I customized my indicators. I have a 9 EMA super trend. Check it out. Check out my super trend, guys. So look, let me show you this day right here. So if you zoom in, check it out. Oh, that's a little bit too close. me pause this video. All right, I am back. It's like I never left, right? But really, in reality, I paused this video because I had to handle some business real quick. But back to what I was saying. So look, check out my custom indicator that I made. So it's the 90 MA, which we all know that that's not custom. However, the way I designed it was that I made it custom. So basically, whenever the candlesticks are above the 90 MA, then it turns green, and whenever the candlesticks are below the 90 MA, it turns red. And so this is it. Check it out. It's actually pretty accurate. I feel like I don't even need to really use anything else no more, because basically whenever it's red, I'll buy puts, and then whenever it's green, I'll go long. So like you can clearly see right here, and then if I go over to another day, like look at that, green. So yeah, calls, right? Getting calls, and then as it went red, just tanked, and then this time you can get calls. Anyways, I love this indicator. It's the 90 MA, and I love the way I made it though. I made it custom. So there you have it though. That's how you get your levels, right? I could probably dive in deeper, but I mean, this is an updated level. It's October 20th. So if you guys want to copy these levels, well, I'll show you it again, watch, or you could just replay the video. But these are my yearly levels right here for the NASDAQ. All right, so you can get a better view of it. These are my yearly levels, and then sometimes I'll draw in monthly levels, but it really doesn't need any. I guess I can draw one. If you're gonna do it, put one in at, I'll put it in for you, watch. It's right here, watch. Price level, so I would definitely put one in right here. This is a strong level, and normally I don't do it at the wicks, but in this case I'll do it like halfway, right? Like half of the wick. So actually we'll do it at 591. Yeah, that's a little bit more better, like about right here. So and then I'm gonna color code it. Since that is a monthly level, I will color code it blue, so I know that that's for the month. All right, that way I don't get mixed up with my levels. I know that that's blue. So there you go. Look, I got my monthly levels, yearly levels. I probably had another one about right here. This looks about right, the 607 area. I can definitely see that as a level. The thing is, I don't want too many lines on my chart, right? But I like to stick to where price is currently relevant. So you can see right here, this is another strong level. About right about here, 606.95. And then check it out. I'll do this right here, color coded blue. That's it, guys. These are my levels. So now we go back to the 5-minute time frame. Bam. And it's accurate. Look, if you zoom in, look at this day. Bam, right up to the level, came down. And then look at this day right here, right up to the level. I think that was the same day, but either way, you get what I'm saying. Look at this. Right up to the level. Just beautiful. Level to level, guys. And that's it. These are my levels. So don't forget, guys, like, subscribe to my YouTube, like, comment. We getting it every day. I go live. I day trade QQQ and futures. I day trade live, and I have members making money. My community is growing. You know, thank God. I keep the faith. You know, no matter what, win, lose, as long as you follow the plan. But anyways, guys, much love, and I'll see you guys in the next one. It's too legit. Y'all have a blessed one. See you guys on the next one. I'm out.